हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है कॉमर्स ट्रेजर। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द रिमेनिंग 25 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैसूर एमकॉम पीजी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन जुलाई 2017. If you have not seen the first part, I have put the link in the description as well as in the I button. Do watch that video, and without wasting much time, let's go to the question. WTO, that is World Trade Organization, was born out of the negotiation in which of the GATT. So remember, WTO was started after the Uruguay round, that is option number C, and it was established in the year 1st January 1995. Which of the following is not a member of SAARC? SAARC refers to South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, which was established in the year 1985, and headquarters of SAARC is at Kathmandu in Nepal. So Afghanistan is a member and it is the last member, that is the 8th member of SAARC. Mauritius is not the part of SAARC. Nepal is a part and Maldives is also a part. Apart from this, we have Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India. Which among the following concentrate on multinational organization? So all these are relating to a multinational staffing, but if you have to select one option in this, geocentric orientation aims towards multinational organization where people with different countries come together in one particular company. NAFTA is an example for. So NAFTA stands for North American Free Trade Association. So it is an example of free trade area. Which is or are the main reason for internationalization of business? Profit advantage, definitely it happens. Domestic market constraint, this is also the right option. Growth opportunity is also a reason for internationalization of business. So all of these should be the right answer for this question. EOQ, that is nothing but economic order quantity, is a point where ordering cost is equal to carrying cost, ordering cost is higher than carrying cost, ordering cost is less than carrying cost, total cost is maximum. So remember, it is a point where ordering cost is equal to carrying cost. Both the cost will be same and cost is going to be not maximum but minimum. Which of the following is sales force payroll incentive? Commission, shift allowance, overtime payment, bonus. So commission should be the right answer for this question. Cost of abnormal wastages is charge to profit and loss, charge partly to product and partly to profit and loss, not at all charge, charge to product cost. So answer is going to be charge to profit and loss account. Factory overhead cost includes factory rent, it is included, property tax, it is included, salary to factory clerk, this is also included. So all of the above is the right answer for this question. Dash are future costs that affect the current management decision. So right answer is relevant cost. Protection can be claimed under the doctrine of constructive notice if act is voidable, no, resolution, no, no inquiries are made, yes. So right option for this is option number C, that is if no inquiries are made, you can claim doctrine of constructive notice. A prospectus is to be issued within dash days of registration. So very simple question, within 90 days of registration of the company. A letter of provide must be demanded in transmission of shares when a person is declared insolvent, no, misbehaves, no, becomes of unsound mind, no, has died, yes. So if the person dies, then we have to provide the letter of provide in order to transmit the shares of a person. All monies received with the application of share are to be deposited with the controller of capital issues in the company bank account, in special account opened in a scheduled bank for the purpose with the registrar of the company. So right option is option number C, that is in a special account opened in a scheduled bank for this purpose. A company shall not proceed to allot shares until beginning of dash day from the date of issue of the prospectus. So answer is going to be second day. Financial decisions is related to investment, definitely it is related. Working capital, this is also there. Dividend is also there. So all of this should be the right answer for this question. Working capital is related to liquidity, profitability, production, all of this. So right answer is liquidity of a firm. Financial function includes estimation, definitely it includes evaluation, it includes capital mix decision, this is also included. So all of this is the right answer. The scope of financial management covers. So basically scope of financial management covers three decisions, that is investment decision, which includes capital budgeting, financing decision, which includes cost of capital, and dividend decision, which includes the dividend related decisions. So capital structure is also included in financial decision. So all of these are included in the scope of financial management. Sources of funds include equity share capital, definitely it is there, debt is also there, retained earnings is also there. So all of the above is the right answer. Apart from this, we also have preference share capital in your capital structure. Good source of information for an entrepreneur about the competitors can be obtained from websites. Yes, it is obtained. Product information, leaflets, this is also a place where we can obtain the information. Companies report and publish account, definitely this is also correct. So all of the above will be the right answer for this question. A new venture business plan is important because it helps to persuade other to commit funding to the venture, definitely correct. Can help demonstrate the viability of the venture, correct. Provides a guide for business activities by defining objective, this is also correct. So again, all of the above will be the right option for this question. Primary data is most important data, the data that is collected first, new data specifically collected for a project, data that is collected second. So right option is new data specifically collected for a particular product. And it can be collected with the help of questionnaires or schedules or interviews, observation, experiment, etc. Innovation can best be defined as generation of new idea, evolution of new idea, opposite of creativity, successful exploitation of new idea. So right option is option number D, that is successful exploitation of new ideas. And the last question is, which of these statements best describe the context of entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship takes place in small business? No. Entrepreneurship takes place in large business? No. Entrepreneurship takes place in a wide variety of contexts? Yes. So this is the right answer for this question. So this concludes the 2017 University of Mysore MCOM PG entrance paper. If you like the video, please hit a like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload a new video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.